Very good afternoon, my dear friend. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. Today, we are going to give important information to all of our hotel management students. Either you are working in front office, either you are working in housekeeping, either you are working in kitchen or F&B service. You must know how to do checkout at the front office. Yes, I am going to tell you the standard hotel checkout procedure. How you are going to taking checkout for the guest. If a guest coming to your front desk and asking for checking out, what are the process you have to follow? It's very simple. You have to follow 10 procedure. Number 1, greetings the guest. Greeting the guest in the sense you have to do the welcome. Welcome the guest politely and at the front desk. When you are coming from the desk, welcome the guest very politely. Ask the guest about the room number and the guest name. May I request your room number and your name, please? Example, good morning, Mr. and Mr. Agarwal. May I have your room number, please? Okay. So when you are using the guest name and asking for the room number, you can do verification either this guest is from that particular room or not. Okay. Number 2. Collect the room key or room card. How? You have to ask the guest return for the card key or the room key. Physical room key, if you are giving to the guest, then you have to ask for the return. Okay, and the same key you have to read in your system. You have to read in your system for room verification, the room number and the guest name verification. Okay. Number 3, you have to verify the guest details. When you read the key on the system, PMS, that is property management system, from there you can verify it. You can see, like you have to confirm with the guest about the guest name, the room number and the departure date, and what all are the charges is posted on the room, like guest had food in room service, at the restaurant same bill as posted. So what is the amount as posted to the room, you have to verify with the guest. Okay. Number 3, how we are going to ask the guest about is there any other consumption additional like minibar or etc etc. You have to confirm either the guest used minibar, laundry, restaurant, spa, room service, any other telephone service. Like you have to check with the housekeeping related to other department if required, if any other consumption is there. If necessary, always you have to check. Call up, take up the call and inform the housekeeping, please check this room number, the minibar is consumed or not. Wait till the time they are calling back to you. Okay. Number 4, prepare the guest bill. So till the time you know all the details, what they consume and what is the bill posted and what exactly for the bill for the room. Now the time is prepare for the bill, because you have to present the bill, right? When you are going to prepare the bill, you have to generate the final invoice including room service, room charges, taxes, food and beverage charges, and any other extra is there or any other discount is applicable as per the PMS. So you can apply that particular discount before printing that bill. Okay. Otherwise your guest can complain or maybe you need to rework on that particular bill. Now your bill is ready. You have to present the bill. Present the bill to the guest. Always you have to politely explain about the charges while you are presenting the bill to the guest. Okay. You have to ask the guest to review that particular bill. Okay. Any problem is there, any things doubt is there, you have to clear this doubt to the guest after presenting the bill. Number 6, you have to collect the payment or receive the payment. Okay. Accept the payment through cash, credit card or debit card, online payment or any company account like any BTC is there, you take signature and you have to settle. Okay. After the payment, what you will do? After the payment, what you will do? After the payment, exactly you have to do when guest paid already. So when guest paid already, you have to issue the receipt, the payment receipt. Maybe they are giving the cash. Then you have to give the cash receipt, okay? And you have to mark the account as the settled in PMS. If they are paying by card or cash, you have to settle in a PMS accordingly. Number eight is update the room status. When collecting the money, you settle that bill for particular room, so that room has released, right? Then that room you have to update on the system, inform the housekeeping that room is vacant and the charges status in PMS is vacant or it is showing vacant dirty, okay, or ready for cleaning, whatever as per your property management system. You can put this room on the status. Number 9, ask for feedback. Everything is done, you have to politely ask to the guest for their experience. How was their stay? Either their stay was comfortable, any issue was there. Then you have to ask them for a feedback in a feedback form or any online portal, wherever it is, you have to ask for a feedback. Number 10 is thank you or farewell to the guest. You have to thank you to the guest sincerely, okay, and you have to tell the guest, you have to invite them to visit again to your properties or to your hotel. Example, thank you so much for staying with us, have a safe journey and hope to see you again. This is how we have to do thank you or farewell for the guest. So these all are the 10 points is there. If you are following for guest checking out periods, 110% guest checkout experience will be 10 out of 10. Dear friend, please follow all the procedure and see my video once again so that you will understand. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more motivative and informative video on your page. Thank you so much.